Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft Outlook is not responding, starting or opening on Windows 11. Also guys, this method will work in Windows 10. So to resolve this problem, click on start. Now here search add or remove. So search add or remove programs, and in this list guys you have to find out your Microsoft Office. Click on this three dot advanced options, and here is the two option. First one reset, and second one is the reset. Now exit and restart your system. If this method not work, so try another method. So for that video I will give link in description, so check out that one. Thanks for watching.